Nibbling on sponge cakes, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists all covered with oil, strumming my sixth string on my front porch swing. Smell of the shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Well, as you probably know by now, retirement and planning for retirement is not always a Jimmy Buffett song. My name is Tommy Cloud. I'm a certified financial planner, chartered financial consultant, and certified senior advisor, and graduated from Georgia Tech with a degree in finance. And yes, I can be just as serious as the next guy, but I also like to have fun and like to encourage my clients to have fun. I'm here to help you at Third Act Retirement Planning with your retirement and what you're doing in retirement to make it the best phase of your life. We help our clients address their top concerns, like how much money will they have when they retire? Will they run out of money? Do they have enough to retire? How much longer do they need to work? How much should they be spending each year to make sure that they don't run out of money? How should they position their investments so that when the next market crash comes, they'll still have money to be able to continue their lifestyle? 2010 has been the third best decade of all time for U.S. stocks. 1950 was the best decade. The past 10 years of the U.S. stock market have been the best since World War II. In one article I read this year, in 2018, the projected returns of the U.S. stock market over the next 10 years are negative 2.71%. And that's on an annualized basis. So that's an average of about 30% loss, 27% loss over the next 10 years. And that's referring to the S&P 500. How are you going to position your investments to make sure that your money isn't lost during that time period? But you also need to invest your money so that it grows, because what if we keep having inflation? And we've had so much inflation over the past 80 years, and we don't need to look any further than the cost of the price of bread, milk, cheese, apple. It doesn't matter. You can choose whatever you want. The price of your home. It all goes up so much, so fast because of how much money our government is printing. Also, what about the taxes that you're paying? Do you know how much money you're paying in taxes? Can you reduce your taxes? If you can reduce them, what do you need to do to make that happen? Are you willing to do it? These are things that we help our clients with and have been doing for 18 years. If you'd like, you can go down to my website and click on here that you would like to schedule a call with me, and complimentary, I will provide for you either one of three things: an audit of the investment expenses that you're paying, how much your costs are on your investments, whether they be annuities, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, brokerage accounts, CDs, whatever they may be. We'll take a look at the investment expenses. That's one. Number two, if you'd like, I can also do a portfolio review. And in this type of review, we'll look at how your investments are positioned and how they would have performed in, for example, the crash of 2008, the credit crisis of 2008. Or we can certainly look at the 2000 to 2003 bear market, or 1973, and see, hey, here's how my investments would have performed during those crashes. The other third thing that we can do is also look at your current financial situation, how you're positioned, how much money you're spending, and what your probability is for success in retirement, meaning not running out of money for how long you expect to live. So if you'd like any one of those three complimentary opportunities, please give me a call or email me at thomas@thirdactretirement.com. And if we work hard enough, we can make sure that your retirement actually is like a Jimmy Buffett song.